welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. If you could please hit that subscribe button and a little bell notification button so you can be obviously notified every time I upload a video. We are going to be making like una comida chatarra, comida callejera, because you guys, I'm having major Mexico withdrawal. I'm going to Mexico in July for las fiestas del pueblo, but there will be no fiestas del pueblo because of the current COVID-19 pandemic that's going around. I'm getting a major Mexico withdrawal, so maybe all this month you guys are going to be seeing, you know, comida callejera, comida that we would eat in Mexico when we were just there chilling.
You know, living life on vacation.
In this video we are going to be making duros de harina. There. Duros de harina my way, the way that I like them. Some people put sour cream, beans, they put chile on it, you know, they put cabbage, put cueritos. I honestly don't like lettuce or cueritos on my duro, so I'm going to show you guys how I make my duro. Fun fact about this sauce though, if you are going to make it, you could also make it for your carne asada. I usually make it for my carne asada, and I didn't really see the resemblance, I didn't really see the resemblance in taste until I actually put it on a duro. It tastes really like familiar. Let me put it on my duro.
And I was like, oh my gosh, it's the sauce. It's the sauce that the lady uses.
Something you guys want to see, then please keep on watching. This is what we're gonna need for today's recipe. Onion, tomatoes, lime, cilantro, the vinegar of your jalapenos, duros or chicharrones de harina. If you could get them cooked, that's fine. If not, I think these are way better. You can make them yourself, and I'll show you how we're gonna make them today. And tomato sauce. Yep, that's right, tomato sauce. So we're gonna use all this to make some bomb chicharrones. Also, I remember when we were over there, she would put some weenies in there, but I mean, the weenies from over there are way yummier than these ones. You could also put lettuce on it. You could also put cueritos on it. But for me, this is how I liked it. And this is how I ate them over there in Mexico. So let's do this. I'm going to begin by chopping everything. Now, I put a lot of jitomate and cebolla out here because I'm extra. But in reality, I'm only going to use like 1 or 2 tomatoes and like half of an onion and just a little bunch of cilantro. But I'm not gonna want to chop it. I'm actually gonna put it in my food processor so it could like be finely chopped. Okay? So I don't know, call me lazy, but that's how I'm gonna do it. This is how the food processor left everything, and this is actually the best thing. Like, I don't know. I just like look, everything is finely chopped and stuff. So we're gonna just go ahead now and add the vinegar of the jalapenos. You could obviously add chiles to this, but for me, I just like the vinegar of the jalapenos. We're gonna add some lime to this. So what I like to do is just roll it around and squish it so it can be extra juicy. Or not extra juicy, just easier to like squish. Now we're gonna add the tomato sauce. Just a little bit though, don't go too overboard. Mix, give it a taste, add salt to your liking. But this is basically how you want it. You could add more tomato, less onion, more cilantro, like however you guys want it. But this to us is gonna work out perfectly. So we're gonna fry the duro on this thing, but you could also do it in your kitchen, obviously in like a pan. Just be careful not to get the oil too hot because then you're gonna burn the duro. Carefully make your duros. Be careful because they expand really fast. So you have to be pulling them sideways and all that. I'm too weenie to do it, so I had my husband do it. He's right there. And they should come out like this. Just like that. Hey guys, we are back inside. So, trial and error, right? Trial and error. Don't be discouraged if your duros don't come out the way you want. These are actually a little bit more burnt. But these actually came out really good. So let's go ahead and start dressing them up. I went ahead and chopped some lettuce. You could also put cabbage on it. I honestly don't like my duros with any cabbage or any lettuce. This is when you could add your cueritos, your peanuts, your salchichas, but I honestly just like my duros one of two ways. With salchichas. So basically just put the salchichas all over. I know it's gonna be weird, but hit it with some lime. Add some hot sauce and eat it like this, just by itself, just like that, and it tastes delicious. Or you can go the other route, which is exactly like that, but with your salsita. So be generous. As I said before, this is the way that I like it. You guys could put on, take off as much things as you want. I've seen some people put sour cream on it. I honestly love it like this. It's all a choice to, you know, who's eating it and stuff, but me, I just love it like this. And there you have it, you guys, this duro right here. Like I told you guys before, this is how I like it. This is how I would eat it in Mexico. She would also crack them and put them in like little bags and put sausage on it and put the sauce on it, and it was delicious. But let's give it a little taste, you guys, because this is it. This is the salsa. Delicious duro. Oh my goodness, bring me back to Mexico, please. Anywho, don't forget to follow me on all my other social media platforms. Can I talk? Platforms. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. I will leave that all down here. Remember that on Instagram, I put recipes Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with details. TikTok just sees them, you know, the video, and that's it. But Instagram is where it's at. Leave all the links down here so it could be easier for you and I to become friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!